I'm an inconvenience to them. They want me out of their way. I'm telling you today, they want me out of their way. All the lobbies have come together against me this time. And let me tell you the lobbies. The police lobby, the Lutyens media lobby, the political lobby. Congress made to put out a statement through Udit Raj. Why has Arnab not been arrested? So Congress dictates investigations. The Antonia Mino lobby, those who were against me on Sushant Singh Rajput, that lobby, all the people who wanted Shaheen Bagh to become a big movement, which we fought, that lobby, the lobby of people who wanted Sarjilima to be spared, that lobby, the Omar Khalid lobby, the Maoist terrorist lobby, the urban Naxal lobby, the Greenpeace and Amnesty lobby, the entire lobby wants Republic and Arnab Goswami out of their way. And what am I doing? I have fought through lawyers, I've gone to the courts, I've gone to the High Court, Supreme Court, City Civil Court. We've lost some, we've won some, but I'm telling you today, they said, you're not going to be able to come out of this Chakravyuh. I promise to all of you watching this today, I will burn the Chakravyuh, break the Chakravyuh, destroy the Chakravyuh, and I will quit. I promise you. I just came today to talk to you to say that because I'm not on social media, they think that the people of this country are not with me. So I thank you very much. And I want you to raise your voice. I want you to find some way to reach out to Republic. My daughter, who is 8 years old, understands about the Uddhav Sarkar dirtiness. Someone writes to me, thank you. We are fighting for the good. Pratulya 14 sent a message. So many messages come up. So many messages come up so quickly. And why should I leave Maharashtra? I studied in Pune, St. Vincent School. I grew up in Khadki. And I spent, since 2004, I've been in Mumbai. I want to ask you one thing. Should I leave Mumbai or should I fight in Mumbai? Tell me. I think I'm going to fight. Kind of support that's coming from you, I'm seeing the messages. I think I'm going to fight. So I want to thank you. Now I'll start coming and talking to you regularly. We want justice. And remain strong. This is our time, this is our country. Remember what I said. We don't need anyone when we are together. Should I switch off now? I think I've got to go back to my newsroom. We will remain strong. Yes, Nagin, remain truthful. Yes, Nick, we are on the right side. Yes, we are. Let's win this now. Support us. They thought our advertisers will go away, the advertisers will come back. And I want to ask you, so what if I lose some money? I did not launch this channel for money. I launched this channel because I wanted a movement of nationalism in this country. One of my journalists has just come out. Another journalist is about to go in. Please support us all. Let's fight. Thank you very much for joining me on this live stream. Thank you very much. I look forward to meeting you again very soon. Goodbye for now.